Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight is Saturday night. I'm just gonna cook a quick little meal for my grandson and I. He wanted the Ancient Mama French toast, so that's what I'm cooking for him. And I'm gonna make me some salmon patties, and I'm gonna warm up some rice from last night. And that is our meal for tonight. So if you enjoy this type of content, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Let me know down in the comments if you make salmon croquettes or salmon patties. Let me know how you make yours. I'm kind of new to it. I just started eating them like last year. So let me know how you make yours down in the comments.
Now my mind, I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again, I